Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be planting bush beans in perlite, ebb and flow method. I've done it twice before, and for a family, not for canning, just for a family for fresh beans, this is perfect. This is a smaller tub, just like the onions. If you want to have more beans, you can use the same size tub as the strawberries, a little longer. I think it's like 21 or 24 inches long. And this is, the smaller tub is like 14 or 15 inches long. At any rate, they're easy to grow, they're easy to keep up, and it's the same ebb and flow method using the same fertilizer, the MasterBlend. So let me move the camera down and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, here we have perlite, and it's about 5 inches deep, but it doesn't matter because the string bean or the bush bean doesn't go very low. It's going to be a fibrous root. When you're done with the season, you pull them out, you're just going to have a lot of perlite that's going to be attached to a light spider web of roots. So I soak these in water, get the seeds softer, and what I've done is I made a bunch of little divots right here in the perlite, and I just spilled that water out. Doesn't matter, it's going to go right out the same way as the other one. It's going to be going into a gutter, the 5-gallon bucket underneath, and you're going to just scoop the MasterBlend in and just do it the same way as you do the strawberries and the onions. So here I have some seeds. I'm going to be dropping them in the holes here that I just made. I'm not real particular about the distance. It could probably be put in closer together. I'll put another one right there. Just dropping them in. And that's all there is to it. I'll put a couple over here. And you'll check out my other video and you'll see that they grow real nice. And there's nothing to it really, just like everything else that's doing with the ebb and flow. And then I just cover them up like this. This a quickie. I got some beans left over. I'll put a couple more. I just throw them in here. I don't know, you know, when you plant them in your field or in your garden, they're pretty close together anyway. So I got a couple left over. I don't want to overplant the beans. So anyway, that's it. Easy, like the thumbnail says, easy peasy. You drop them in there. It's a simple maintenance with the ebb and flow. You got your MasterBlend fertilizer, and you're just going to pour it over the top. And I can't find it right here, but I just use an old cottage cheese or sour cream container, and I just go over the top. And you want to keep it moist. Right now it's pretty light because this is for starting back up. So if you enjoyed this video, give me one of these, subscribe, any comments, ready for comments. And if you've done it before, let me know how you've done it. Thanks for watching. Bye.